This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 2021-2022, round 1 senior, and this is question 3, non-ascending pins. So given this pin, and we essentially need to figure out which digits are not ascending. So which digits are not bigger than the previous digit. Okay, so as usual, we need to take our input. And in this case, because we're dealing with numbers, it'd probably be easier if we convert our input, which is currently a string, into a list of numbers. And to do that, we can use a list comprehension, which works like this. As I say, is int num for num in pin. So this just goes through every digit or every character in the string and converts it into an integer and throws that into a list called pin. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is keep track of the previous digit. So initially, the previous digit is just going to be the first one, because the first digit has nothing to compare itself to. So we can kind of just ignore the first digit and start with the second one and treat the first one as the previous. And because of that logic, what we can actually do is when we go through our pin from left to right, we can start at the first index. So that's actually the second number. And we want to go up until however long our pin is. And we then need to compare if the current number we're at is smaller than or equal to the previous number, then it's not ascending, and then we need to print it out. So if the current number, which is pin I, is smaller than or equal to the previous number, then we need to print out the current number. And also we just need to update previous to equal the current number. And this idea of keeping track of the previous number or the previous thing, going through a for loop and updating the previous thing, this appears quite a lot in PCTC. So it's a concept worth being comfortable with. But yeah, I guess that's full marks.